The Icfai University today held its fifth convocation in which 608 degrees were conferred on the postgraduate and the undergraduates. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that Meghalaya government is going to invest over 5,000 crore in the tourism sector and more than 1,500 crores in the IT sector. The Chief Minister pointed out that it is the youths who have to take these opportunities and take the state to new heights of development. Meritorious students were also given their awards and certificates in the presence of parents and other students.
Only in tourism sector alone, Meghalaya will be spending 5,000 crores. And we expect to create almost close to 50,000 jobs in the private sector through the investments that we make in the different tourism sector. How are you going to take advantage of that and be part of this entire economic plan that we have? We'll be investing almost more than 1,500 crores just in the IT sector. I'm talking about just the basic investment. I'm not talking about the larger investments which we expect.
Along with the rest